What's good, Ninja affiliates? All right, so in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to set up this automated marketing system that will be doing the promoting and selling of the digital product that I picked. So if you haven't seen the first video, video number 1 on how to find a digital product to promote, the link is in the description. You can watch that and I'll walk you through on how I find this one digital product from the digital growth community that's earning me 100% commission, and doing the math to see how much sale of that product that I need to generate in order to hit my income goal. All right, so in this video I'm gonna go ahead, jump in and walk you through on setting up the automated system. So let's jump on over to the virtual whiteboard, and this is step 2, setting up automated system. Alright, so the first thing is traffic. I will be walking you in the next video how to get traffic, and that traffic will be going to the first page in my marketing system. So this is the landing page, okay, and this is what it looks like. So once people come, so the purpose of the landing page is to capture people once they land on this page to get their email. If it's something that they're interested in, they'll put their email in, and once they hit submit, then that email is it goes to what's called a autoresponder. Alright, so the purpose of the autoresponder is once people come to the landing page, if it's something that they're interested in, they'll put their email in, and then they're put in what's called an autoresponder. So the purpose of the autoresponder is to send them follow-up emails. So just in case if they do not buy, I have a chance to send them follow-up email in a later date, at a later date, and bring them back to the next page, which is the sales page. So that is the purpose of the landing page. Then so this landing page will consist of probably an image or a video and some text, description text, and then the box. Once they click the submit button, then they are taken on over to the next page, which is the sales page. And this is what it looks like. So it consists of some videos or text or image, and then some text and image, and then at the bottom it'll have a buy button. Now if it's something that they're interested in, and they click the buy button, they'll get the product, and I'll make my commission. And then they are taken on over to the next page, which is the thank you page. So here, this is what the thank you page looks like. So it will have a video or just a text. So a video and some text thanking them for their purchase, and that right here is basically the whole system. So you have page 1, which is the landing page. They come and put in their email, and they are put into an autoresponder, and then at a later date, if they do not buy, the autoresponder will send out a automated email, which we will set that up. I'll show you how to set that up. And then on a specific date, we can have these emails be sent out and send them back to the sales page, and increase my chance of getting a sale in case they did not buy the first time. This is basically the system. So let me share with you the software that I'm using to set this all up, and it's called system.io. Right, so as I say, you can sign up for a free. So once you set up your free account in system.io, you probably won't have any of these because you have to set them up. But if you invest in one of the products from Digital Growth Community, right, as I said, that they have a pre-built done for you funnel that you can have access to, and all you have to do is you just go over to once you click on the link, it'll take you here to this video instruction, and it'll walk you through on how to get the sales page loaded up into your system.io account. So there's a share file but in the description. Once you click on the share file, it's automatically downloaded into your system.io account, and then go on to the second one. This is the capture page. So this is the first page in the automated marketing system, and this is what it looked like. It's image or text with the box to where they put their email in, and they click it, and then they have access to the sales page. So for you can click on the share link in the description, and then this capture page will download into your system.io account, and then all you have to do is follow the instruction, and it shows you how to exactly set up these pages and have them linked together. So then once everything is set up, you will have all these pages right here. So once you download them, this is what they will look like. It will be these pages right here: sales page for all the products, for whichever products that you invested, if you did invested, and then as I said, the $39 website fee is what gives you access to all of these pre-built done for you, so you don't have to build out anything. So you buy your product, pay the $39 fee, and then you have access to these pages. And then as I said, all you have to do is just put in few information and have them link up, and the system is ready to go, fully functioning, working, promoting that digital product for you 24/7 non-stop. So after you have all that set up, the next thing what's missing is traffic. So in the video that's coming up next, I'm going to walk you through this free traffic source that I'm using to get traffic to this landing page right here, and still using the free version of system.io to set up this whole marketing system. So I look forward to walking you through on setting up and getting traffic in the next video to the marketing system. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.